This Long and Foster real estate property video is presented by Aaron Hendrickson. Large building situated at beginning of a main entry point into the city. Currently a manufacturing business, but the possibilities are endless as to what this building could become. All steel construction, large warehouse and showroom spaces. Handicapped accessible. Plenty of finished and unfinished office spaces. Upstairs area boasts large raw space ready for more development, complete with loading dock on both levels. By building and current business as one package, or by building and lease, the massive space could easily be divided into several entities and each space rented, or could be transformed into one large space. The possibilities are endless. Nearby easy access to rail trail, downtown, nearby retail area, and interstate. This could be your next bed and breakfast, restaurant, retail space, distribution center, manufacturing site. Only your imagination limits you. We'll consider all types of financing packages, from assumption, rent to own with pay down option, cash, commercial investment package.